Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this channel named Gaurav Kumar Jain. First of all, thank you very much, all of you, for joining this tutorial at this time with me. And today we are going to talk about Google Translator. So it's a very short code that I have written over here on this Sublime Text platform, with which we are going to, see how a Google Translator works and how can we use simple Python code for developing a Google Translator. So as you can see, these are the libraries which I have imported, and these are the ones which I am going to make use of for developing and for showing you the working of Google Translator. But before diving into the platform, I would like to tell you that I have again started my rupees 500 coding classes. So if you want to be a part of those amazing coding classes, then you can dial the number below. You can get in touch with me and I will let you know about everything related to whatever we are doing in those 500 rupees coding classes. Besides that, there are various other courses I am running currently. So there is this course based on Python application and game development. Then there is a course based on artificial intelligence. There is a course based on data science, and also there is a course for object oriented programming language, which I am currently running. So if you want to learn, if you're new in this coding field and you want to learn everything related to coding, I think I'm one of the best persons who can help you guys out with it. And definitely you're not going to regret. You are going to enjoy each and every second of the coding classes which you are going to be a part of after getting yourself enrolling for the courses which I am providing right now to my channels. Okay, so let's dive into the platform and check out this code. So what I have done is I've imported all these libraries which you can see getting reflected right on the top. So it's Google Trans, that's the first one I imported. Then this is speech recognition for recognizing the type of speech the user is going to speak. Then GTTS is going to help us in translating, in getting the translations done. Then play sound is a library with the help of which you can play an mp3 file. Fine. Then we have created an object for this recognizer class. That's the one. Then we have created an object for this translator function, okay, which is present in this Google Trans library. Then whatever I am going to speak in English, it is going to convert it into Spanish. So these are the two codes I have written here. This is for the input language and that's for the output language. If you want, you can play with the codes also. Now where can you get these codes from? Let me help you with that too. So you can come here on this Python Google Translator page, zcode.com python/Google Trans. So here you will find all the codes that you can use when you are making your Google Translator. Fine. So from here I picked up these two codes, en and es. Then there is this function microphone, which is going to help us in accessing the microphone, and whatever the user is going to speak through it, it is going to capture everything. Fine. Now when this loop, the interpreter will execute for the first time, that is what the user is going to see in this console panel over here. And then the recognizer will be called, this object which we have created for this recognizer function, it will be called by the Python code, and it will start listening to whatever the user is going to speak in the microphone, and everything will get recorded in this voice named variable. Finally, this recognize Google function is going to translate everything, or is going to convert everything in the form of text. And then with this line of code, we are going to see everything, every text, or you can say each and every word of the text over here in the console panel. So whatever I will speak, it will get first converted into the text form, and then the text will get printed by this line of code. Then after this, translate function which is present in this translator is going to help us in converting this text into the output language, which is ES, that is Spanish. If you want, you can change the output language. Suppose you want to change English to let's say French. So for French we have a different code, FR basically we use for French, so you can put here FR in place of ES, right? So that is what you will get from here. So the converted text will be translated and it will be saved in this translated named variable. This is going to print for us the text which will be there in this translated named variable, and then this gtts function which is present in this gtts library is going to translate that file into an audio file, translate that whole text into an audio file. And finally we are going to get this audio file in the in this folder, where we have saved our coding file. So I've saved this coding file with this name, google translate.py, and you can see here this file is present in this NLP projects named folder, right? So let me now run this code and show you the output. So here I go. So my name is Gaurav Kumar Jain and I take coding classes. So you can see this code is working perfectly fine. It has taken this as an input and it has given us this as an output. And here you can see we have got an mp3 file also. Let me just play this mp3 file and see what are we going to hear. Okay, so we are getting the correct output, right? So that is how you can develop a simple Google Translator with only 23 or 20 line of codes, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot. Do not forget to like and share this video in your group. Fine, and if you want to avail the coding classes, you can join them now. You just have to pick up your phone and dial the number which is getting reflected on the screen just below my video, right? So thank you very much for joining this tutorial. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye and take care all of you.